Hello friends. Today we'll learn about mixed numbers and improper fractions. This is the following video for the last video. Simple fractions using the pizza method. A quick intro and we'll start. Let's start with the mixed numbers. But first, let's see how we can identify a mixed number. A mixed number consists of two parts. From whole numbers, in this example it's a 3. And a proper fraction. A proper fraction is when the numerator is less than the denominator. In this example it's 4/5. The mixed number in front of us is 3 and 4/5. Let's have a look at the second fraction. The whole number is 2. And the proper fraction is on its right. 6/11. Don't forget, we'll identify every mixed number by the whole number and the proper fraction, in which the numerator is less than the denominator. An improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is equal or greater than the denominator. Let's see if you can identify the fraction that isn't an improper fraction. Let's see if you were right. We'll start with this first one, 23/11. This is obviously an improper fraction because the numerator, the upper part, is greater than the denominator. Let's have a look at the second fraction. In this fraction, the numerator is 14, and is less than the denominator. Therefore, this is the proper fraction. And that is the answer. Let's have a look at the two fractions that are left. 3/2 is an improper fraction because 3 is greater than 2. And the last case 12/12. We said that the numerator can be greater or equal to the denominator, and in this example the numerator and the denominator are equal. But it'll still an improper fraction. And every time you'll see a fraction where the numerator and the denominator are equal, you'll know that it'll always be equal to 1. Because every number divided by itself is equal to 1. Just for general knowledge, in China, they don't say improper fraction, they say fake fraction, because it's not a real fraction. One of the most important things we have to learn is the conversion of a mixed number to an improper fraction. I'll teach you the MA method, M and A. Let's see how we can turn this fraction 5 3/4 to an improper fraction. So we'll start with the first letter M, which stands for multiplication. We'll multiply the amount of whole numbers in the denominator. 5 times 4 equals 20. And now the letter A, addition. We'll add the numerator to the answer we got. 20 plus 3 equals 23. The solution will be the numerator, and the denominator will stay the same. So we could say that 5 3/4 is also 23/4. And that is the improper fraction and the final answer. Let's see if you can convert the second mixed number into an improper fraction. Let's see if you were right. We start with M, which is multiplication. We multiply the whole number with the denominator. 2 times 11 equals 22. And now the second step, we add the number we got to the numerator. 22 plus 4 equals 26. The number we got after using the MA method is our new numerator. 26/11. The denominator stays the same. 26/11 is the improper fraction and the final answer. And that's the method. What happens when we need to do the opposite operation, converting an improper fraction into a mixed number? So we'll go back to the pizza method we've learned in the last video. If I know that the denominator is the amount of slices that are on every tray, and the numerator is the amount of slices in total, let's convert this fraction 42/20. I know that I have 42 slices of pizza. But only 20 slices can fit in one tray of pizza. How many full trays of pizza would I have? I know that there will be 2 whole trays here because 2 times 20 equals 40. And now we're left with 2 slices out of the 42 slices. The 2 slices will be the new numerator. And the 2 slices will be out of the next tray. Because if I have 2 trays, plus 2 slices, out of the 20 slices in every new tray, that will be the mixed number. Let's have a look at the next example. 53/40. The denominator tells me how many slices are in one tray. But I have 53 slices. How many trays would I have if every tray contains 40 slices? Only one tray. And how many slices are left? 13 slices are left. out of the 40 slices that are in a full tray. And that's the mixed number. Friends, to convert a mixed number into an improper fraction, we'll use the MA method. Multiplication and addition. And to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number, we'll use the understanding of the pizza method. See you in the next video. And have a blast.